welcome back. I'm so excited to show you this self-care routine that I've been working on. In full transparency, I would normally do this routine later in the evening, but I had just traveled home and I'd gotten off 2 airplanes and I was just ready to get clean and do a full routine. So I did this much earlier in the day, but that proved for better lighting for the video anyway. So first I started by just dampening my hair and putting in a leave-in conditioner treatment. I did the Olaplex number 3, which is a strengthening conditioner, and I've been told to really only use that maybe once or twice a month. Otherwise, it can actually cause your hair breaking more. And I twisted up in that in a pony and left it for about 15 minutes or so before moving on to the shower. So I grabbed some peach exfoliating cubes. This is actually a gift from my mother, but I will find the link and link it for you down below. They are sugar cubes that are just so delightful to scrub. And then this is a exfoliating mask that you actually do in the shower because the steam helps with the exfoliating treatment. So after the shower, I lathered up. Tonight I selected my doTERRA lotion that does not have any scent. Being 5 months pregnant, I'm a little bit more sensitive to scent. So sometimes when I want something really nice smelling, I go for the Skin and Senses. Sometimes if I don't want to smell anything at all, I just grab the unscented lotion. So I let my hair air dry quite a bit after the shower and I started prepping some dinner. I went ahead and laid out my workout clothes for the day after. So those are prepped for in the morning, and I just let my hair air dry a little bit and then towel dried it before I put in some leave-in conditioner. So I used the It's a 10. I'm sure that you have seen this product around. I've used it for many years and I feel like it helps with the health of my hair in general. So at this point, I haven't really brushed it out. I know that a lot of breaking can happen when it's wet, so I just throw this in there, and then I do a gentle comb before putting in the High Dive serum. It's a moisturizing serum that I picked up from my local hairdresser. So while my hair is air drying here, I pulled out my journal and my tea, and I'm getting ready to make a cup of tea and let my hair just air dry some more before I ever really hit it with the heat. This is my favorite tea right now. So one thing that I have been trying to do is do at least 10 to 15 minutes of my French every single day instead of doing a crash course of an hour a week, which has not been serving me very well. So I've been trying to just squeeze in 10 minutes here or there to work on my French. And I lit a candle. This cinnamon spice candle is absolutely delicious. I usually try to buy local with my candles. Unfortunately, the local shop I normally buy from was out, and so I selected, this is actually sparkling cinnamon from Yankee Candle, but I don't really like seeing the label, so I turn it around. Then I selected an Ambience. I just Googled or searched on YouTube for Harry Potter Ambience, winter style, and so that way I could have some cozy winter vibes while I sat down and practiced my French lessons. So I wanted to show you the tea leaves that are part of this tea. They're so gorgeous, and this tea is so robust and full of flavor and really helps for me to have something other than to drink than water, since alcoholic beverages or highly caffeinated beverages aren't great for me at this time. So I just had some water boiling and was going to steep some tea. Again, all the while my hair is just kind of air drying, so that way not as much heat is put on it. So I do use the Dyson Airwrap. I'm sure that you've seen it on Instagram or YouTube. There are so many tutorials of how to use the Dyson Airwrap, but for me, it's really protected my hair from heat, especially since I've been lightening it. It is a very expensive tool, but one that I feel like has increased the health of my hair and reduced the breakage. And so this actually blow dries and curls your hair all in one step. So this took me about 30 minutes, but when you think about how long it takes you to blow dry and also curl your hair, it probably equates about to the same time with just less heat to it. So you can see they're very tight curls right now, but I'm not going anywhere this evening, and so I will tie it up into a loose bun as I go to sleep, and this will last me an entire week. So, the bonus of being able to share this with you earlier in the day is so you can enjoy an amazing sunset tonight. I hope this nighttime routine, cozy self care, has given you some ideas of things you can incorporate into your next evening.